beautiful. Three? Oh man, that's more than me. Oh my god, it's beautiful, bro. Jeez, you got fatter tires too. Look at that. It's fucking beautiful. What's the fastest you got on that thing? Sheesh, 135. Yeah. That's mad good, bro. 140 is pretty good. Yeah. I mean, that's what they say. This bike, they say it's like 135, but the most I've done was 128. Yeah. So a similar case, I guess. I'm thinking maybe you need a race suit. You know, because maybe your jacket creates drag. Sheesh. My god, that's beautiful. The crossplane sounds good, man. Oh yeah, it's further down right there. You got the baffling on that? Yeah, same. Yeah. Otherwise, it's like, dude, it hurts my ears, man. If I leave it out, it's like it's painful. In general, like if I leave it out, it's like booming, bro. Sheesh. You go, bro. I want to look at that bike some more. Sheesh. The tunnel, bro. You gotta rev it, man. You gotta rev it. I'm gonna let you go. Sheesh. Oh man. Far into. You just want to hear the sound, you know. I'll make some room for you, man. Sheesh. Beautiful. Damn, that's beautiful. My god, dude, it sounds beautiful, man. When it flies by, it's like, oh. I don't know where I was going.